You've probably heard of Airwallex. They're that fintech startup shaking up the world of international payments and business banking. But have you ever wondered how they actually manage your money? Where does it go? Which banks are behind the magic? Let's dive in. Okay, so Airwallex is a fintech company, not a bank. That's a crucial distinction. They don't hold your money in their own vaults like a traditional bank. Instead, they partner with a network of banks around the world. It's like having a super connected financial middleman. The role of banking partners. Now, you might be wondering, why doesn't Airwallex just use one big bank? Well, the beauty of partnering with multiple banks is diversification. It's like spreading your financial eggs across different baskets. If one bank has an issue, it doesn't bring down the entire system. Also, different banks specialize in different things. Some are great at domestic payments, others excel in foreign exchange. By partnering with a variety of banks, Airwallex can offer a wider range of services to its customers. Unveiling the Airwallex banking network. So, which banks does Airwallex actually use? Well, they're pretty tight-lipped about sharing a complete list. It's a competitive market, after all. But we can piece together some information. Tier 1 banks, Airwallex undoubtedly partners with some of the biggest names in banking. Think JP Morgan Chase, Citi, HSBC, and the like. These banks provide the financial backbone and stability that Airwallex needs to operate on a global scale. Regional powerhouses. To cater to specific markets, Airwallex likely works with regional banking giants. For instance, in Asia, they might partner with DBS, Commonwealth Bank of Australia, or Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group. In Europe, it could be Deutsche Bank, BNP Paribas, or Barclays. Niche banks, and let's not forget about smaller, niche banks. These institutions often specialize in specific areas, like trade finance or foreign exchange. Airwallex might tap into their expertise to offer specialized services to its customers. The importance of regulation. It's crucial to remember that Airwallex, like any financial institution, is subject to strict regulations. This means they have to meet certain criteria when selecting banking partners. The banks they work with must be reputable, financially sound, and compliant with local and international laws. How does this affect you? So, why does this matter to you? Well, knowing which banks Airwallex uses can give you an idea of the security and stability of your funds. If you're dealing with large sums of money or international transactions, it's important to feel confident that your money is safe. While we can't provide a definitive list of all the banks Airwallex works with, we can see that they have a diverse network of partners around the world. This partnership model allows Airwallex to offer a wide range of financial services, from payments to foreign exchange, with a high level of security and efficiency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.